Hey everybody, it's Wheel Collectors back again today. Just wanted to discuss with you a little bit about what the channel's about, what we love to do. One of the things that is going to be really good on our channel is the fact that we get cases in all the time and we have a warehouse. So we'll run into older cases that we haven't opened yet, and it's fun to look and study it, see how the changes are. So just for example, this right here is Cars and Donuts from a couple of years ago. It's a car culture case. Comes in a kind of elongated box. The boxes change over time. Sometimes the cardboard's thicker, sometimes it's not. Sometimes the box is more square. This one happens to be a 10-car case for the car culture, which is obviously one of the best lines that has ever existed in any die-cast maker's inventory. So right here you can see in the box 10 cars. So this Cars and Donuts set came out a couple years ago. Let's see here, 2017. So this particular case packed 2 sets of each per case, or two sets per case. So right here you can see the custom Datsun 240Z. Had a nice little pearl white paint job. Card backs are smoking hot. Next car in this box is the SUbaru, which is, in my opinion, the best car in the case. I actually had this car several years ago. I had the STI version, which this is. It's got a nice blue, perfect paint in my opinion. I love that paint. Again, another one of my favorite cars. The BMW M1 Pro car. This car right here is the car that started the M series for BMW, which is obviously one of the best series that BMW has ever done. The next 2 cars are the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. And you can just see the quality on the car culture. And this is before they went to the big card backs. This is a case or 2 before they went to the big card backs. And the last 2 out of the 10 is the MCLaren P1. Which that car is obviously amazing. So there's a case opening. That's one of the things that our channel is going to provide you. Please subscribe. Well, most of our case openings are going to be, brand new cases. This one happens to be a couple years old because I found it in the warehouse today. I thought you guys might want to take a look. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to us. We're going to be doing tons of case openings for you guys.